Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel, your ultimate guide for CA exam preparation. So guys, I hope your studies are going strong because we are getting super close to the CA Foundation January 2025 exams. With the exam day almost here, it's time to focus on that crucial last minute revision. So in today's video, I am sharing a power packed 1.5-day revision plan to help you effectively revise for the quantitative aptitude exam, which will be held on 18 January. Whether you are feeling confident or little anxious, this plan is designed to make sure you are well prepared for your exam day. So grab your pen and notebooks and let's dive straight into the study plan. Also guys, if you are new to my channel, I request you all to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post new videos. So on 16 January, you will be having your business law exam, and after that, we will see how you can effectively revise on 16 January evening, whole of 17 January and 18 January morning. So as we are discussing this study plan, I request you all to note down the study plan. You can pause the video at relevant places and note down this plan. So once you are back from your business law exam after taking sufficient rest and after having your food, you can start with revision for quantitative aptitude. So first you will be revising this chapter 4, Mathematics of Finance. This you will revise from 7 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So this plan is to give you an idea as to how you can revise effectively in this 1.5 day. So the section wise weightage for this chapter is 30% to 40%. This falls under the category of section 2. So in this study plan, we have tried to cover the chapters with the highest weightages first. After this, next chapters you will be revising will be the logical reasoning part. So the logical reasoning is for 20 marks and it has 4 chapters. Next you will be revising that. So next you will be revising logical reasoning from 10 p.m. to 12 a.m. The chapters under these are as follows. Chapter number 9, number series, coding and decoding an odd man out. Chapter number 10, direction tests. Chapter number 11, seating arrangements. Chapter number 12, blood relations. And the section wise weightage for this is 20% to 30% for each of the chapter. And this is section 4. So with this you will cover the revision of section 2 and section 4. So on 16 January you will be studying these chapters. Now going ahead on 17 January, you will be starting with chapter number 5. So basically you will start with the chapters in section number 3. These carry weightage of 30% to 50% weightage. And these chapters fall under mathematics category. So on 17 January, you will start with revising chapter number 5, basic concepts of permutations and combination. This you will revise from 7 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. So even on exam days, it is very important to catch up on adequate sleep. At least 6 to 7 hours of adequate sleep is required even on exam days. Because most of the times the questions are tricky in the exams. So if you have slept well and if your mind is fresh, then you'll be able to attempt the question paper well. Next you will revise chapter number 6, Sequence and Series, Arithmetic and Geometric Progressions. The revision slot for this will be 8:30 am to 10 am. Next you have chapter number 7, Sets, Relations and Functions, Basics of Limit and Continuity Functions. The revision slot for this is 10 am to 12 pm. Next you will revise chapter number 8, Unit A, Basic Application of Differential and Integral Calculus. The revision time for this will be 12 pm to 1 pm. Next you will revise chapter number 8, Unit B. The revision slot for this is 1 pm to 3 pm. So chapter number 8 has two units, Unit A and Unit B. So with this you will be completing revision of section number 3 and the weightage for this is 30% to 50%. So basically by now you would have finished the chapters with highest weightage in mathematics and also you would have completed logical reasoning portion. Next you will start revising statistics part, that is the section number 5 which has chapter number 13 and chapter number 14 and the weightage for this is 45% to 50%. So in statistics part these chapters consist of highest weightage. Chapter number 13, Unit 1, Statistical Description of Data. The revision slot for this is 3 pm to 4:30 pm. Next we have chapter number 13, Unit number 2, Sampling. The revision slot for this is 4:30 pm to 5:30 pm. Next you will revise chapter number 14, Unit 1, Measurement of Central Tendency. The revision slot for this will be 5:30 pm to 7 pm. Chapter 14, Unit 2, Dispersion. The revision slot for this will be 7 pm to 9 pm. So now you have finished revising the section 5 as well. Next your focus will be on this section number 6. This comprises of the following chapters, chapter 15 and chapter number 16, and the weightage allotted for this is 25% to 30%. So chapter number 15, Probability, 9 pm to 11 pm. Section number 6, the chapter number 16, this you will be revising the next day, that is on 18th morning. Continuing with the revision on 17 January, you will revise mathematics part, chapter number 3, linear inequalities. This you will revise from 11 pm to 12 am. This is a comparatively small chapter, that's why I have kept this late at night here. This chapter forms a part of section 1 as per the syllabus. So in section 1 there are 3 chapters and the weightage is 20% to 30%. So this brings us to the end of the revision plan for 17 January. I hope you all are with me and you are noting down the study plan. Now let's go ahead and see how you can study effectively on the exam day, that is 18 January morning. So 18 January morning you will complete the section 6. Section 6, chapter number 16, that is theoretical distributions. So first you will revise this from 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. So this completes the section number 6 as well. Next you will focus on the section 1, that is the mathematics part. So here there are 3 chapters. In this you would have already finished this chapter number 3. So the remaining 2 chapters you will study, chapter 1 and chapter 2. So chapter number 1, ratio, proportions, indices and logarithms. This you will revise from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. And next you will revise chapter number 2, equations. This you will revise from 8 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. So this completes the revision of section number 1 as well. So basically you would have finished revising all the chapters with the highest weightages. Now let's see which all chapters are remaining. So now you have like section number 7 and section number 8 remaining. These are the chapters with less weightage. So in section number 7 you have correlation and regression. And in section number 8 you have chapter number 18, index numbers. The weightage for this is 10 to 15% each. So these 2 chapters you will be revising in that. Chapter number 17, correlation and regression. You will revise from 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. And chapter number 18, index numbers. This you will revise from 9:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. So by now you would have revised almost all the chapters from the syllabus. And then from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. you will revise your revision test paper, mock test papers. I hope you all have prepared notes of different formulas that you will be using in this quantitative aptitude subject. This list of formulas also you will be revising from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. So before leaving for the exam, you can go through the list of formulas that you have made note of. And that's it guys for today's video. I hope this 1.5 day revision plan helps you stay on track and makes your preparation more effective. Remember, it's all about staying calm, revising smartly and trusting the hard work you have put in over the past few months. If you found this plan helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more tips and strategies to ace your CA exams. Until next time, stay positive, stay productive and give it your best shot. All the very best for your exams. I will see you all in the next video.